It's the snowstorm today here in Connecticut, and you can see snow mountains are here. Bridges.
Okay.
You're going to climb the snow.
Yeah. Lift me up.
The road is full of snow. Just now cleaning has done, but still one layer of snow is there on the road. And the car are covered with a blanket of snow. Niblati, be careful.
3, 2. Get out of the way. Oh no, you scared me.
Our backyard is full of snow. And it's so beautiful, but it's too cold. Oh my god. Hi. Oh wow. It's amazing, but too much cold. It's a historic snowstorm that affected Connecticut on Sunday, January 25th, dumping over a foot of snow across the state, with some areas receiving up to 21 inches. So governor declared a state of emergency and a commercial travel ban was put in place during the height of the storm. So all the schools and offices are closed due to the severe weather, and kids are enjoying here their holiday in the snow.